What's up, divas? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be unbagging my Ipsy Glam bag. It just finally arrived yesterday and it's the first time that I'm actually going to see it. So I'm going to share that experience with you, give you a little bit of commentary and my review, my take on what's in this Ipsy Glam bag. Okay, but before I get started, I do want to say welcome to anybody who is new to my channel. My name is Simply Carrie and I do beauty lifestyle content. If you're interested, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and definitely don't forget to hit the notification bell. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so I just kind of opened this up just a little bit because I messed up my intro. So I guess they've just sent me a brush. Okay, I guess the brush could not fit in the bag, and the bag has a little plastic pouch with escape on it. Okay, so far, now, you know, I like the idea of the glam bags, but for some reason I was thinking of something a little, I don't know what I was thinking of when I first initially signed up for Ipsy. Now I'm on the verge of canceling Ipsy. Okay, let's see what's in this bag first. And the reason why I say I'm on the verge of canceling Ipsy is because when I signed up back before Mother's Day, I believe, and I did not get a glam bag back then. Okay, I got one sometime, I think in June, and then this one here for July. I've already gotten 3 Allure boxes so far, and this is only the second one. Okay, so I'm kind of like with Ipsy, but let's see what they have. Okay, and let's see if I'm going to keep them and go with a different type of glam box or glam anything. I'm going to adjust this a little bit, my camera, so that you know, it's not so high. Okay, so let me just say this little pink pouch, I mean, I really didn't spend that much on this. I did this just before Mother's Day, so I think it was only $10. So what can you really expect for a $10, $15 at best subscription? I don't even think it was 15. I think it was 10. So, I mean, for 10 bucks, come on, we can't complain. Okay, so we got the pink little pouch. So let's go ahead and open this up. What would I even use this pouch for? I don't know, but it's, okay. All right. I think of the beach. Okay. Now it says your glam bag packing list. All right. So they have a list of things that are in the glam bag. Is that what that is? This is what it looks like right here. Let me hold that up. Oh, take a break. All right. So this is it. Take a break. This is the July 2020 glam bag. Oh, let's read what it says here. I'm gonna put my glasses on because everything's been blurry lately. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so airplane mode your phone, put up a mental do not disturb. It's time to re-energize. Whether it's a living room dance party or a bold lipstick, take a break from the ordinary, let loose, and go with the flow. Where will it take you? Okay. So where is this gonna take us? All right, so your ultimate beauty staycation, all right. Number 1, petty please. 2, drink it in. 3, make some moves. 4, go skin deep. And 5, aloha your hair. And there's more information that goes into it, but I'll probably read that a little bit later. I'm just curious to see what's in the glam bag. So far, this is what we have in the glam bag. So let's start pulling the products out. And what's the first thing we have? 3, hydrate, protect, Murad, Essential C Day Moisture, broad spectrum, SPF 30. All right, so this is brightens and helps shield skin from environmental aggressor. Okay, so this is what it looks like. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. Sounds like it's a moisturizer with vitamin C. Okay, moisturizer. All right. Okay. Looks like a travel size. I've never heard of this company. Super hyped over moisturizer? No, not really. No. Okay, maybe it'll get used, maybe it won't. I really don't know. I'm not familiar with this name. But that's part of the beauty of getting a glam bag or a glam box, is becoming familiar with different products. So I will have to get familiar with them. Now, I have heard of Pixie. This is the next product here, Pixie. All right. This looks like some type of a lip gloss. Pixie by Petra. Now, I've been eyeing Pixie for eye products. I would like to try and see what their eye products are like. I'm holding out hope that there's a product that can get rid of puffy eyes, get rid of the puffiness under the eyes. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what it smells like. Some kind of mint, peppermint or something. No, not even. Spearmint. Okay, it's kind of hard to tell what it looks like on the back of my, I just stuck this on my fingers. All right, I already have lipstick on, but it looks like the same stuff I have on. Go ahead and put that on. I mean, I like the color. Now, granted, I already have a color on. Soft glue. I like this. I like this. Okay. That's a plus. Okay. Has a little smell to it. A little spearmint scent. Okay, cute product. All right, so what else is in here? All right, all bubble wrapped. Ooh, must be in glass or something that might break. Let's get this out of here. Why is everything so hard to open? It's only in a bubble wrap. Okay, what is this? Space Case Cosmetics. I've never heard of them before. Space Case. I wish that the focus would help. I'll pull it back a little bit. All right, so something from Space Case Cosmetics. Oh, it's an eyeshadow. Okay, all right, I could use an eyeshadow. All right, what kind? I have never heard of Space Case before. Space Case Cosmetics. Ooh. I don't know. I don't know about this color. I mean, this color might not be that bad. Maybe it's, okay, so hence the brush. All right, so far that's 1, 2, 3. This, I guess, would be the 4th product. No wonder. So the brush is Firma Beauty from www.firmabeauty.com. All right, and this is the eyeshadow brush. 201, as if that makes anything for me. All right. Okay, so it looks like it might have some type of a shimmer to it or something. Some type of shimmery. You can see that. Guess it'll just be kind of shimmery. I'm not gonna put this on right now on my face, that is. But I like the brush. I like the idea of the brush, although I have several brushes. And this, okay. All right, but $10, what can you expect? Okay, all right. As you can see, the enthusiasm is not there. It's just not there. I'm sorry, it's not. Okay, so a BioRace Pore Tightening Pearl Clay Mask. I got a mask, okay. A pore tightening. My pores could use some tightening. Pearl Clay Mask. Okay, all right. I was expecting so much more. You know, I waited a long time for this Ipsy bag. I waited a whole month for this Ipsy bag, and this is all I got. But then again, I mean, how can you complain for $10? For $10, you really can't complain. I got lip gloss that I'm probably not gonna use. I got eyeshadow that I'm probably not gonna use. I got pore tightening clay mask, pearl clay mask that I might possibly use, and some Murad moisturizer, which you're probably going to need after that pore tightening mask, and another brush. Okay. I don't know, guys. You did not see excitement jumping out at me when I saw these products. It was kind of like, and that's how I'm feeling right now about Ipsy. In fact, I do believe that most of the joy that I actually had with Ipsy was in filling out their questionnaire or form just before I ordered this stuff, or while I was ordering the this kit. They were asking me all these questions, so that was the fun that I got, and actually getting the bag in, that's fun as well. But I don't know that I'm going to keep Ipsy on board. Maybe I will try one more subscription with them and see how I feel. But if it's lackluster the way it is right now, then I don't know that I want to continue to spend the money on it when I can take my money and use it for something that I'm really gonna like. Okay, so guys, if you've gotten the July issue of Ipsy, or if you tried Ipsy before, let me know what you think. If you've had any of these products before and you've tried them, let me know in the comments, your take on them. Like I said before, Pixie I am familiar with, and I would like to try a little bit more of their stuff. But I think I may bring you one more Ipsy Glam bag, and then after that, if I don't get a better feeling, then I'm probably going to drop Ipsy and go with something else. So let me know also in the comment section what you might be interested in seeing me unbox or unbag in future videos. Okay, so once again, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. If you like my content, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share, comment, and all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video. All right, take care. Bye.